All right, guys, how are you today? We are working on a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and I have my world's smallest little leaf blower, and I've got some various colors. I've coated my canvas with black, and then I have Golden's Permanent Violet Dark. I have 24K Gold. I also have, I believe it's Orchid Flash by Color Shift. I love this color. And then I do have a little bit of this iridescent blue-green, I think it is, by Pebeo. And then I have white. But I also have a little bit of, where did I put it? Here it is. Amsterdam's Gold Fine mixed with Aussie Floral, which I'm gonna probably put on a little palette knife. I don't know, I just wanna play with some colors. So I am going to give this a torch. And then we have a little bit of a black mist up there. There we go. And I'm just gonna play and maybe make some colors, but what I want to do is I'm going to use a drizzle and whatnot of the black base, kind of like a pillow, but it's not pillow paint, but it kind of is, because that's what I'm going to be using it for. I think is how we would be able to put it, so maybe. All right, we're going to do just a smidge of white, kind of like a bloom, but it's not a bloom recipe, and I'm not trying to bloom. I'm just playing. Trying to do maybe like a flower of some sort. Now what's up with this white? It's like poofy. Maybe a happy little accident will happen. I have no idea. All right. It's just perfect the way it is. Okay. Well, maybe I won't shimmer it. Maybe I'll just do this and do it like a bloom. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing. Sometimes you just have to have fun.
I was out drinking, looking for the next thing. I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run, I didn't want to slow down, but baby, then you came around. Yeah, you came around. No, I won't.
Okay, that's like super amazing. So at least I think it is. This is obviously still a hot mess because we haven't done anything. I haven't blown from this area. Again, I don't bloom. I'm just playing with paints and colors and negative space. And I love this piece. Makes me want to go get my Jessica spinner in the other room and spin it out. But I didn't do it in the center, so it would be kind of off balance, which is okay, I think. I don't know. I have no idea. But I kind of wish it was in the middle. Now I'm going to want to do this again. So hopefully, actually, let me do a little bit of black right there. I don't want all that gold there. I don't really see, obviously, the gold Aussie mix filling up, but I do see the white.
sun will shine. Yeah, sun will shine. The sun will shine.
Pardon the glare. I'm totally digging this piece. Very happy with it. I love the wispiness of the white. Definitely gonna play with this again. But yeah, I'm gonna stand right here, try to get it all in screen without a reflection. But that is all, folks, for today. Maybe we'll do another one next. Bye. Okay. Maybe some of this orchid flash. Just playing with colors, guys. Nothing going on here. Colors and paints. Okay. All be right back. Okay, so only because I like literally had to get it up on the spinner, and you're in a different spot as before. Hopefully this doesn't go flying off. I probably have to spin it harder, but I don't think it's doing anything because I don't want to spin this thing right off the spinner. I can see some of it moving off, but I'm actually going to go the other way now. It's moving some paint. And again, I didn't want it fully spun out because I would have to set up my doggy piddle pad for doggy pool or whatever for that. But my canvas is on push pins, so it will definitely slide off of the foil if I spin too hard. But it's definitely coming off a little bit at a time. I think that's where we're gonna leave it. So I'm gonna leave it just like this. And I'm gonna come in. I love all this in here. Maybe I'm gonna blow a little of that out. Maybe not. No, I'm not gonna touch that. I kind of like it because it's got some of the turquoise in there. My cat's meowing. Mimi, come on, baby girl. I know, I'm in here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this. I love all that's going on in here. And it looks muddy, but it's not. It's black and the purple have combined. And I love the wispiness of it all. But, you know, just having fun with paint. Okay, guys, so here are the dried results. This one I absolutely love. Look at that. This piece is really cool. I did frame it up in a black floater frame. Yep, I can talk. But this piece, I just think came out stellar. Super happy with the end results. So yeah, I apologize for the glare, but I do have a gloss varnish on there. And this piece makes me very happy. So let's take a look at the black piece. Holy glare. Okay, so let me just pick this one up. I framed it in a gold floating frame that I had painted, but I think what I'm gonna do is actually gold leaf the frame in the long run. I like a gold leaf finish better, but this piece looks so cool. In the gold, and the magenta in there, and the wispy white. It really turned out amazing. So let me see if we can do this. There we go. This is the final piece. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Have a great day.